The 2025 Nissan Armada is revamped with a twin-turbo V6 engine, replacing the previous V8. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Today I will share the 2025 Nissan Armada overview, engine and performance, interior and features, safety and technology, pricing and trims. So, let's enjoy. This full-size SUV offers impressive towing capacity and off-road capabilities with optional four-wheel drive, maintaining its reputation for hauling passengers and cargo. The Armada is totally redesigned for 2025. It now shares even more commonalities with the global market Nissan Patrol, and the Pro 4X and Platinum Reserve trims are new additions to the lineup. Under the hood, the new 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 425 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, surpassing the old V8. It pairs with a 9-speed automatic transmission, available in rear or four-wheel drive, enhancing both power and efficiency. Nissan has added several new optional features to improve the Armada's driving experience and off-road capability, including an available height-adjustable air suspension and a locking rear differential in four-wheel drive models. We haven't yet gotten a chance to drive the new Armada, but when we do, we'll update this section with driving impressions. We have yet to test the Armada, but we expect it will be quicker than the old model, which got to 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. Inside, the Armada seats up to 8, with optional captain's chairs. Higher trims boast luxurious materials like quilted leather. Standard features include dual 12.3-inch screens, with a larger 14.3-inch touchscreen available, and a 12-speaker Klipsch stereo system. Safety Shield 360 is standard, offering features like blind spot monitoring and automated emergency braking. Optional ProPilot Assist 2.1 provides hands-free driving. When we get the chance to test the Armada on our 75 mph real-world highway fuel economy test, we'll update this section with results. The Armada's safety features ensure a secure driving experience, backed by industry-standard warranties. Pricing starts around $60,000 for the SV trim, reaching $72,000 for the Platinum Reserve. The SL trim offers great value with premium audio, heated seats, and power-folding third-row seats, making it a top choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.